Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom emojis on Fluxer. So let's get started. Now, custom emojis are a great way to give your community its own personality. So instead of using only the default emojis, you can upload your own images like memes, inside jokes, or branded icons, and everyone in the server can use them in chats and reactions. Now to start, you want to open your Fluxer and go to the community where you want to add a custom emoji. Now, from here, you want to keep in mind that you usually need admin or moderator permissions to upload them. And once you're inside the server, you want to click this drop down and open the community settings and look for the custom emoji section. Click this, and from here, you should see the option to upload a new emoji. So all you need to do is click this upload emoji button right over here and then select an image from your device. Now, let's say this, well, I already added this, so let's go for this one. Open this up, uploading one emoji, and after uploading the emoji, you can even give this a name. Just double click this to give it its name. Now, this is the name people will type when they want to use it in messages. And once you save it, the emoji will be added to your server's emoji list. Now, let me show you. Let's close this. And then this is actually a sticker. So you can see it's sticker. But once you click emojis right over here, once you open the emoji section, as you can see, it's added right over here alongside the default ones. So anyone in the server can start using them in messages or reactions right away. And that's about it. That's how you add custom emojis on Fluxer. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!